Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download AirShow. So go to Air Safari. Um, the link will be in the description. So um yeah. So this is what the page is. So you go to apps and scroll down. Then it says AirShow. Then scroll down. You have to wait. It says download page. Then click AirShow. AirShow. Then scroll down. This is install. Install it and install it. There. If it doesn't let you in, go to settings. General. Scroll down. It says profile and device. I don't know what that says. Then you pick the you pick this one. Then trust it, don't delete it. So peace. Oh no, never mind. Not this one. No. Where's my? Oh, there it is.